Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Turnover. Turnover means amount of money taken by business in particular period. For example, a turnover approaching 4 million. A turnover approaching 4 million. Synonyms: revenue, gross revenue, income.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Higher business turnover means higher insurance premiums. Now, repeat after me. Higher business turnover means higher insurance premiums. The second exemplar. Our shop's annual turnover is £500,000 when the visitors come. Now, repeat after me. Our shop's annual turnover is £500,000 when the visitors come. The third exemplar. Their turnover in the previous financial year was almost $170,000 million. Now, repeat after me. Their turnover in the previous financial year was almost $170,000 million.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.